We've always had an unformulaic approach to songwriting. It's always been about what the current passage dictates to the next. What we strive to instigate is letting go and experiencing moments as they come. A reminder that music can choose not to relate to past experiences. Feel of a message. Yet be just as cathartic, submitting to ambiguity. While it may sound irresponsible, we're not the kind to derive from the mundane absurdities of life. We just want to play. Every chance we get to just say, screw it, and play for people is an escape we wish our listeners to experience with us. Whether it's melancholic melody, brutal groove, or provocative transitions, the objective remains to simply be honest and bodacious. Having the same song act as a different episode for every individual by simply not adhering to any concrete purpose except to express.